In today's video, I want to show you real quick our newest tool that we have for you, just to kind of make your life as easy as humanly possible when it comes to navigating our fabrics, knowing which fabrics are best for your projects, for the end functionality of the fabric, the features, things of that nature. So really any of the atypical questions that you might have, instead of having to reach out directly to us through an email or through a phone call, you can just help yourself out right away by going down here to the lower right-hand corner of the site and clicking on this icon, this green icon with the blurb right here. You're gonna click it, it's gonna open up. It's going to greet you, and this is our means of communicating with you directly. So first off, if you are a new customer, the first prompt would have you look at the FAQs that are specifically geared towards you. So as the newbie to Wazzoodle Fabrics, we have all the typical top tier questions laid out here for you, everything from swatches FAQ down to custom fabric programs, and then also contacting us. If you were to click on, let's say, the swatches FAQ, that'll open up a secondary set of questions, which has a little bit of everything you might need to know for the swatches. So all of your most common questions geared around swatches are going to be featured in the swatches FAQ. Now, in order to get back to the main FAQ screen, you're going to hit the home icon. That's going to send you all the way back. Now, let's say you're already an existing customer. Welcome back. You're going to just click here, and that's going to prompt you to enter your phone number or your email, whichever is connected with your online account. You would go ahead and do that, hit enter, and it would take you to a separate screen where you could interact with the interface identically to what you're seeing here. The only difference is that if you're an existing customer, you can also check on the status of your order through this portal as well. So let's say that you are new or existing, but you really just want to see what fabric is right for the project you have in mind at that moment. You would come down here to find the right fabric, click that. And here you're going to be either redirected to our amazing Fabric Finder tool, which is another tool that we have on our website that's located right behind my head here to the far left in our top main menu segment. So if you were to click here, it would redirect you to the Fabric Finder tool itself, and there you would have the exact same path to journey down. You could choose by projects, which would be your end uses like menstrual pads or underwear, incontinence underwear, dog pads, things of that nature. You could go to shop by product. And here you have some of those examples I was just rattling off. So let's say you were interested in cloth menstrual pads, you would click there. And then this would give you our top suggestions for the different layer approaches to constructing that menstrual pad. And if one of these does not take you to the answer that you need, all you simply do is click on the send us a message button, and you're going to type in your information here, give the message that you have for us, the question that you couldn't find the answer to, and send it our way, and our team will get back in touch with you as soon as humanly possible. And you're just going to click on get back to me via email, and that'll be the way we get back in touch with you. So again, to go backwards, we click on the house icon, and we can go back to the find the fabric again, and we'll see that we don't just have it by project level, we also have it by function, meaning is it antimicrobial, is it food safe, is it absorbent, does it have stretch or lycra to it? And then we can click on these, and that'll take you to all of the fabrics that fit in that category. To go back, we hit that home icon one more time. And then if you want to send us a message directly, you can go ahead and click right here, and that'll redirect you to a screen where you can connect with one of our fabric experts. Again, you'll have these prompts to get in and to contact you via email. To go back. And then if you have another topic that you'd like to select, where you'd like to look through and see some of the other FAQs that are maybe top of mind for you, like the fabric FAQ, you can see there's general fabric questions, there's the Fabric Finder tool that we discussed earlier, and then we have our brand level fabric questions for Zorb, ProSoft, ProCool. We even get into our Overstock Center and Clearance Center information and all the common FAQs connected there. And if there's anything specific you have for one of those topics, you can just send us a message and go ahead and communicate with us that way. So this is the newest customer service portal that we have for you that's located on our website. Everything that you send to us, we get immediately in the back-end version of this, and we're able to generate through them as quickly as humanly possible. We are a small team, so just be mindful of that, but we get back in touch with you as soon as we possibly can, and it's our pleasure to help you navigate the website as well as the different fabrics and the different options for bringing your projects to life. So please never feel concerned about reaching out to us. Never feel like you're being a bother. You aren't. We love helping you. Reach out. We'll send you a lifeline and we'll go from there. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video today and learn our newest tool and means of helping you navigate and understand the fabrics and get the questions answered that you need right away. If you have any other questions, please reach out to us. We're happy to help. Thank you so much. And as always, happy making.